ना एक तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सांगूंक सोदता वास्कोचे प्रत्येक जनतेक चिंता करपाची कसलीच गरज ना. माय social media team already reached out to this person who had this problem. I've asked for a report from Goa Medical College, and immediately what we have done, which will be implemented from tomorrow, कित्याक प्रमोद की डॉक्टर्स बी पॉझिटिव्ह जावंक लागल्या. आणि म्हणूनच आमकां चिंता हा की हे जे घटना घडली, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन केन्नाच गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान वी विल नॉट अलाव इट टू हॅपन. And what is the actual incident is going to be sent to me by email by today evening. But also same time, what we are doing is we are having 2 flu OPDs which we already have. We are going to have 2 screening OPDs. Karan आयच्या दिसा we have to see that anybody who enters Goa Medical College has to be thoroughly screened. So even if he is asymptomatic, he'll go through the screening OPD. Symptomatic will come to the flu OPD. So basically, what we want to do is ensure that each and every individual that comes into Goa Medical College is thoroughly screened. And then only we will give him a slip to go to the casualty or to any other department. आयज गरज आहे ह्या तरेची गोष्टी करपाक. पण डिस्क्रिमिनेशन प्रश्न येना हे सगळ्या गोष्टींचेर आमच्या लक्ष आहा. जे कितें घटना घडली जर तेका त्रास जाल्लो आसा, हांव तुमच्या प्लॅटफॉर्माच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आय एम apologize to him, but I am going to go to the bottom of it to see exactly what it is and how did this thing occur. But what happens, we have to all understand, COVID-19 is something that has created fear in the minds of every individual, whether it is a doctor, whether it is you, whether it is me, or anyone. But in case any kind of discriminatory thing has happened, I will definitely look into it and take cognizance of it.